So very excited about Rainbow Swiss Chard. It's a nice leafy green that's very beautiful. It's got the different colored stems, red, pink, yellow. It's very nutritious and it's easy to grow. So those are all really top things in my book. It's easy to incorporate into a lot of different recipes as well. We've got some programming related to that too.
Let's talk about the kickoff on Saturday, March 28th, like I was mentioning at the beginning of the show. It's at the Sarnia Library. What can people expect from the guest speakers and the screening of a documentary which is called The Biggest Little Farm?
Yes, I'm very excited about Saturday's event. It's the first time we've done something that's really been for a full afternoon in this style. So we are going to be hosting, first off, starting at 12:30, a panel of speakers and really focusing on how to grow a greener future. We have Dennis LeBlanc, and he is an avid backyard gardener who has so much experience, especially in the soil health and how we can really get that. We really need healthy soil in order to grow some healthy food. Aaron Plain is the manager of the Majigan Gourmet Greenhouse in Amjanong. He's going to be coming as well to talk about how we can make our gardens more inclusive and have a diversity of things and really restoring things and attracting more pollinators, which are also very important to growing food. And Rochelle Flowen, she's a soil health expert and biodiversity advocate. So really excited to chat with all of them and get all their different unique perspectives. And then we're gonna have a little bit of a break following the panel presentation, and then Megan from Farmhouse Garden Co. is going to come and talk about how to get your garden ready for spring with a particular focus on Swiss chard as well. And then another quick break, and then we'll get into the documentary screening at 3 o'clock. So folks are welcome to come for the whole event, or if they don't have time to stay for the whole thing, they can come to just a portion of the day. I'll also have a lot of these seed packets, so please come in and pick those up as well.